In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Shopify PDF, 5 minutes. If you've got a downloadable PDF you want to sell, maybe it's a guide, a workbook, a template, or an ebook, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to set it up inside your Shopify admin so it's ready for customers to find and purchase. I'll keep it simple and practical, and I'll share a few tips along the way so your listing looks professional and communicates value clearly. First, head to Shopify and sign into your store's admin. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll be on Home. From here, we're going to work entirely in the products area where all your items live. Think of this as the place where you tell Shopify what you sell and how it should appear to shoppers. On the left-hand sidebar, click Products. This opens a list of everything you're currently selling. To create a new listing specifically for your PDF, click Add Product. This brings up a blank product editor, which is where you'll add the key details that customers will see on your storefront, and where Shopify will store the information needed to process the order. Start with the title field. Enter the PDF title in a way that's clear, specific, and easy to understand at a glance. Use a name that reflects the outcome your buyer gets, such as a topic, a target audience, or a use case. Avoid overly clever names that hide what it actually is. A strong title helps with both customer confidence and search visibility within your store. Next, write the description. This is your chance to build trust and answer the questions a buyer would naturally have. Explain what the PDF includes, the problems it solves, who it's for, and how it helps. If relevant, mention the number of pages, the file format, any bonuses, and whether it's printable or fillable. Keep the tone supportive and benefit driven, and break the text into short, readable paragraphs. Clarity really matters here. Customers should feel like they know exactly what they're getting. Add an image that represents the PDF. A clean cover image or a simple mock-up of a tablet or printed pages works well. Use a high-resolution file so it looks crisp on both desktop and mobile. Aim for consistent styling with your other products, consistent backgrounds, margins, and type treatment. Give your storefront a polished, trustworthy feel. If you have multiple preview images, lead with the strongest one. Now set your price. Choose a number that aligns with the value of the content, your brand positioning, and similar offers in your niche. If you're running a promotion, you can make use of a higher compare at price to show a discount. Make sure taxes are set the way your business requires. A clear price paired with a strong description helps reduce hesitation at checkout. When everything looks good, click Save. This locks in your product details and publishes them within your admin. Saving frequently is a good habit as you fine-tune text and images. After saving, take a quick look at the product status and visibility to ensure it's available on the sales channels you want, like your online store. Because this is a PDF, remember that delivery will be digital. Shopify supports selling digital products using file delivery tools and apps, which handle secure download links after purchase. You'll also want to make sure shipping isn't required for this item, since there's nothing to ship. It's helpful to tell customers in the description that they'll receive a download link after checkout so they know what to expect. Before you wrap up, preview the product page to see how it looks to shoppers. Check that the title reads clean, the description flows, the image is sharp, and the price is correct. If you spot anything confusing or vague, revise it now. A few minutes spent polishing can improve conversion significantly. And that's it, you went to Shopify, opened products, added a new product, entered the PDF title, wrote a clear description, uploaded a strong image, set your price and saved your work. From here you can customize the theme presentation, add the listing to a featured collection, or share the product link on your social channels. Thanks for watching and good luck with your PDF sales.